The PASCO certified version of OpenSciEd is the turnkey curriculum for high school science. We've combined PASCO's award-winning lab tech with OpenSciEd's trusted lessons to provide you with the best science education solution. With our program, you get teacher-ready, hands-on equipment kits, modern, engaging content, and 24/7 teacher support. Let's take a closer look. No last-minute trips to the supply store. PASCO's OpenSciEd kits deliver everything you need for investigations big and small, saving teachers precious time. PASCO kits greatly reduce prep time, even for complicated labs. For example, PASCO has created pre-assembled, custom kit components, like the modular circuit's hand-crank generator for physics. Plus, PASCO sensors and apparatus are reliable and durable, so you can reuse your high-quality tools for years to come. Just order the consumables with us when you run out. The PASCO certified version of OpenSciEd is tailored by our science education experts to seamlessly integrate high-quality technology into the curriculum. PASCO wireless sensors and data analysis software create dynamic, data-driven learning environments, taking interactive learning to a whole new level. Students collaborate to investigate phenomena hands-on, developing their critical thinking and problem-solving skills. PASCO Portal is the digital resource center where you access PASCO OpenSciEd instructional materials and more teaching tools. PASCO Portal cleanly organizes content for successful use. And thanks to Portal's integration with your learning management system, you can instantly share files to your classes. Teachers, both new and seasoned, also benefit from Portal's support and professional learning. Find resources such as training courses with certificates, how-to videos, and product manuals. The PASCO certified version of OpenSciEd stands out from the crowd with its teacher-ready hands-on equipment kits, engaging high school content, and robust teacher support system. Talk to your PASCO rep today to get the PASCO certified version of OpenSciEd for your schools.